bring her back, Daddy.
Come on, baby girl.
It's tiger here. Giant.
Daddy, bring her up there. He wants to play with her.
No, he doesn't. He wants-
Hurry up before he gets over it.
Come on.
Hurry. Oh! Daddy, hold her so she stays over there. Go. Hurry, go. She's like not interested, but he's so interested in her.
What do you think? Is he wants to eat her?
Play with her. Just hold her there. Tama, Dad. Oh, Daddy, look, he's looking. Daddy, bring her back.
There you go.
Go. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he saw her fall. He's coming. Is he coming back? Oh. Hi. Hi, Tiger. Daddy, hold her. Oh, he's so interested in her, Daddy. He wants to play with her. Oh my gosh. You okay? You okay? Oh my gosh. Hold her stomach down. It's cold. Walk her over here. Can you follow her? Hold her hand. She's gonna be too fast. Oh. Hold her. Hold her.
Oh,
The tiger.
Record now. Record
The
now.
tiger.